Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Hello everyone, myself Arav.
And my name is Sarthak.
Today we are going to demonstrate buoyancy through waves, activities and conversation. So Sarthak, I wonder what is buoyancy? Can you just tell me what is buoyancy?
Yes, buoyancy refers to the phenomena in which a force is always applied to the upward direction when an object is tried to merge within any fluid like this. Or I can take another example of my fruit box. Like this force is acting against the gravitational force. This is also called the buoyantic or the upthrust force.
So Sarthak, in the school we were taught about that how the boat float on the water due to the buoyantic force which applies upwards and the boat floats. So Sarthak, can you just tell me how the boat floats? Are there any variations of this of the
Yes,
buoyancy?
this boat floats due to buoyancy, and if the buoyancy will be more than the gravitational force, the object will float on the upper layer of the fluid. And if the object's the buoyancy will be equal to the gravitational force like this, and if the gravitational pull will be more than the buoyantic force, the object will be submerged, or we can say sink like this.
So Sarthak, who discovered this buoyancy phenomena?
This was discovered by Archimedes.
Oh, that guy, oh, Eureka, that guy who just
yes.
told the story about that all. Yeah, so what was that principle?
Oh, hi. He gave a principle called the Archimedes principle, and according to this principle, the buoyancy force is always equal to the mass of fluid displaced by the object. Can you tell me about that story you were talking?
So a Greek king gave Archimedes a task to check out the purity of his crown. So for that, he took a beaker, some gold ornaments, and if the water displaced, if the water will be displaced with the same amount of weight of gold, so the water will be displaced higher than the real gold and thus proving that this is impure. And the same thing happened with Archimedes. He just put the king's crown in a beaker and the water was displaced more than that of the real gold. So now I think you have got the clear idea of what buoyancy is. Thank you.